Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys a new airdrop that you can make a lot of money from. So this airdrop is called PAWS and it's just like dogs or cats airdrop, okay? So if you are familiar with dogs or cats airdrop, then you can play this game because it's the same features, okay? So without wasting my time, let me take you to my Telegram account to show you guys this airdrop because the airdrop ran on the Ton blockchain. So we will be playing it on Telegram. Like we play the dog, the cat, hamster combat, and the rest. Okay, they all runs on the Ton blockchain. Okay, so this PAWS token or PAWS airdrop also runs on the Ton blockchain. So we'll be playing it on Telegram. Okay, it's a Telegram airdrop. So let me open my Telegram account to show you guys how to play this airdrop and how to earn some tokens and make money from it. Okay, so this is my PAWS. Okay, and if you are new to PAWS, I'll leave the link of this PAWS airdrop in this video description for you guys to use it to start cashing out. Okay, so let me open PAWS and show you guys how it works. Okay, so this is PAWS and checking progress, cleaning PAWS. Okay, so as you can see, this is my PAWS token. I have 25,000 PAWS. Okay, and this PAWS pays or gives you the token using your Telegram age. Okay, it's just like dogs and cats. If you know dogs or you know cat tokens or cat airdrop, you should be able to know how this platform also works. Okay, because it's the same. They pay you with the age of your Telegram. Let's say your Telegram is 1 year old or 2 years old, you get a token for that specific number of age. Okay, so aside this, they also pay users who play hamster combats and other airdrops. Okay, so aside paying you with your age, okay, you can see using my age I got 916. Okay, they still pays you for playing hamster combat. Okay, so I played hamster combat game and I got a reward of 1,000 PAWS. I also played the dogs game and I got a reward of 5,000 PAWS. Okay, so I've been doing some tasks and a lot. That's why I've earned all this, and I'll show you guys how to perform all these tasks to earn a lot of PAWS like this. Okay, so let me begin with this leaderboard. You can see a lot of people are ranking high. Okay, you can see this user is having 72 million PAWS. Okay, this user is really cashing out. Okay, and you can also invite your friends to join this platform. Okay, when you invite your friends to join this platform, they will also make money and you also get some commission whenever they play or claim tokens in a PAWS. Okay, and with the end section, you just have to follow them on their social media page to claim some of the tokens. Okay, so this is limited, meaning it has an expiry date and you have to do this. I have already done this, that's why it's ticked. Okay, so when you follow this on X, okay, on Twitter, you get 2,000 PAWS. Okay, so you just have to click on it to follow them, then you come back and claim. Okay, and the in-game too, you can see in-game. Okay, in-game you have to click on this to read more about one falls, one rises. Okay, so that you can claim the token. You can get 250 PAWS. Okay, also you have to put the image, this icon, at your name. Okay, so when you click on it, then you copy the logo. Let me go to my username. You can see I have the PAWS at my name. Okay, you can see I have this PAWS at my name. Okay, so you just have to paste in the PAWS icon to your name and you claim this 5,000 PAWS. Okay, you can also boost the channel. Okay, this is for premium users. When you click on start and you boost the channel. Okay, I haven't done that because I'm not a premium member, okay, of Telegram, premium member of Telegram. So you can also follow them. Okay, you can follow their Telegram channel. Okay, so when you follow their Telegram channel, then you come back and claim this 1,000 PAWS. Okay, also you can invite 10 friends. Okay, so when you invite 10 friends, you will get 5,000 PAWS. Okay, I haven't invited 10 friends yet. I just have 4 friends over here. So as time goes on, when I invite 10 friends, I'll claim this. Okay, and also you can connect your wallet, okay, to claim this 3,000 PAWS. Okay, and if you want to connect your wallet, you just have to click on this home button. Then you click on this. You see connect wallet over here. I've already connected my Ton Keeper wallet. That's why you can see this. So you see connect wallet over here and you click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, a lot of wallets will appear. Then you select your preferred wallet. Okay, I used Ton Keeper for this and I've already connected my wallet. Okay, so this is PAWS and It's very easy to play. Okay, you just have to come to the end section and do some tasks and claim the tokens. Okay, so if this video helped you to know more about the PAWS airdrop, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.